Cancer, one of the most deadliest disease humanity has ever seen. The quicker we diagnose cancer, the quicker you can start your treatment, and now it's sooner we treat the cancer, it's the more likelihood of you surviving the cancer. So it's all about diagnosing and starting the treatment as early as possible when it comes to cancer. So for you to get your diagnosis, it takes about 2 to 10 days. But what if I told you that there's a new type of slide which can detect cancer in just 10 minutes? Yeah. So welcome to Bio World, and today we're going to talk about detecting cancer using nanotechnology. Let's go. Most biological samples are essentially transparent and nearly invisible when viewed using a standard optical microscope. It is therefore highly desirable to produce colored images without using any stains or dyes which can alter the sample's properties. Now here is where a special slide comes into place called the Nano-M slide. These slides translate subtle changes in the dielectric constant into striking color contrast when samples are placed upon them. Or in simpler terms, these slides work using an electron embedded on their surface that wiggle and oscillate when they are hit with a beam of light. And then when a beam of light passes through a piece of tissue, the specific characteristic of the tissue causes the electron to react in a different way, which in turn changes the color. So this light surface is basically like a sensor. Depending on what gets put on the sensor, different kinds of light wavelengths are observed. So when a healthy cell is placed in the slide, certain wavelengths are observed which produces a different color, and when you place a cancer cell onto the slide, it absorbs a different set of wavelengths because its composition is slightly different, the cancer cell's composition, which in turn produces a different color. But researchers aren't sure why cancer cell shows up in different colors. But this is really helpful because we can diagnose, for example, breast cancer in its earliest stages and start the treatment. Wow. And the main advantage of this Nano-M slide is no staining is necessary, and we can get the results as quick as 10 minutes. So imagine this. A new type of cancer detecting method which does not use any staining and can get results as quickly as 10 minutes. Wow. Well, this is going to change the world. Well, anyway guys, so this video is just to ignite your curiosity about this nanotechnology in detecting cancer. The original video where I got the inspiration from and the original research paper about this Nano-M slide will be given in the description below. And as always, stay safe and stay curious, my friends. Signing off, this is Bio World.